Hi, this is Melinda and Elena with Dynamic Transit. We're a couple of recruiters here, so we just wanted to tell you a little bit about what it's like to be an OTR driver here at Dynamic. We do have great pay, good equipment, benefits, and things like that. So we're just going to tell you a little bit about that. And Elena, what about the pay?
So our pay for all drivers that have hazmat and tanker endorsements is 55 cents a mile. That is loaded and empty. If you don't have both, it's 45 cents a mile, but we will reimburse you to go get those. And then if you haul a placard load, it'll be 60 cents a mile. The only trailers that we pull here are reefer trailers.
And what about per diem?
We do $63 a day, tax-free money that you've earned every day you're out on the road.
All right, sounds good. So, and what about our equipment?
Our trucks, we have the 389 long nose Peterbilts, and those are 10-speed manuals. We are looking to have everybody in one of those by late summer. So right now we have 250 of those out on the road, all different colors, and we have 30 more ordered. They should be here by late summer. And I say that because in the event there's not one, then it would be a 386. It's a maroon truck. It's a 9-speed manual. Those are the short nose ones. We use those until we have an open 389, and every truck here comes with an APU, bunk heater, 15-watt inverter, refrigerator, Bluetooth, accessible radio, and a full-size mattress.
And what about maintenance on those trucks? How do we take care of our guys on the road?
So we have a full-service shop here at our headquarters in Granite City, Illinois, which is right outside of St. Louis. Our guys are up on our maintenance, our service. We take great pride in our equipment being in tip-top shape out on the road. We also have our dispatch and payroll office personnel here in Granite City, and we have a full-service fuel island here.
All right. And what about the benefits we offer?
Yeah, we do have benefits. We have health through Blue Cross Blue Shield. We have vision and dental through Guardian. You're eligible for those after 60 days following the first day of the month. We also do we already talked about per diem. We also do 401k, and we have a quarterly bonus.
All right, sounds good. And that's kind of a little bit about what you can expect when you come to work at Dynamic Transit as an OTR driver. So it was really good to talk to you guys today, and we'll talk to you later.